Okay, y'all, this is my 1947 two-in tractor. Just got done painting it Ford blue. My wife taught me into it. Ain't no big deal. Ain't nothing but going in the woods anyway, chopping down bushes and stuff. Redid the motor. Rebuilt the head, the bottom end. Got some new brushes coming for the starter. They're starting to get wore down. Works pretty good though. Do a little walk around. It's a pretty color. I really didn't try to take no dents or nothing out. Just left it like it was. There's the back end. All the new gauges. Water gauge, oil gauge, battery gauge. Still waiting on the alternator to come in. Got all the light bulbs out right now, but they do all work. There's the motor. Got a new exhaust manifold, new carburetor. Got new tie rod. Got one right there, was worn out. But some really good paint, man. It took forever to dry. It took about 2 days, but it's dry now. That's what it is. So I figure it's cold. As you can see my hands on it. I figure we go ahead and give it a shot and see how see how she turns out this morning. Put this on the front. This is my handy dandy flathead screwdriver. Got a perfect spot for it. Alrighty. Let's turn on a bowl. One turn. 2 turns. See what kind of oil pressure we got this morning. I usually put it on full throttle. Get that gas a chance to get in there. Let's see what we got. Installed a water temp sensor, so I'll know if the engine overheats. Thermostat's 160 degrees for anybody who wants to know. Like I said, I got an alternator coming because the alternator I have is not currently working. Installed a light switch. Get that and look at it. Thinking about painting the tires white or yellow. Not sure yet. I'm gonna leave the motor gray because it's got that ceramic high temp paint. So the motor will stay the same color. It's just a good old running tractor. As you can see, fired right up. No issues. Everything's running good. you want to know what kind of oil I'm running straight 30 weight with a bottle of Lucas stabilizer.